We're done with that pan.
Tomato paste is something that we use in the restaurant a lot. Ooh. Score! Food humor never gets old.
False.
I am making sure I'm a superstar. That's a secret nobody wants anybody to know. Let's toss these guys together.
Yeah,
baby. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
no!
It makes a huge flavor difference. And then we add wine. Get these guys in. My papa. We are doing a big fat roast beef dinner.
Oh yeah, this ragu smells beautiful.
Big fat succulent.
Big meat.
All right, big smash.
Yeah. Yeah.
We've been hanging and banging, brother.
You need it. I'm just very needy. My onions are sauteing away beautifully and they're smelling excellent. Really bitter greens with that. Don't be ridiculous. I'm just giving it a little bit more of a lube job. Ugh.
No!
Bread flour, some whole wheat flour, activate. Some yeast, activate. We're doing the hokey pokey. Pokey, mom, that is good. I've got crud happening here. We have achieved cruddom. Bake them in a really hot oven.
I had 2 Bork's root beer at lunch.
Okay.
And meet me outside, you're walking me home.
Now, this is how we roll. Kind of like a marinade / quick pickle. Ooh, lamb burgers. So every time I crack one of them open, look at that. I'm like, this is so cool. Let's have some nonstick. Yum. Hello, beautiful skirt steak. You know, roasting beef. Beat it. Okay.
How about this mad cow disease?
Pipe it into this little pocket in the chicken.
Whoa.
So. Sausage making is one of those things that everyone looks at it and just like, all right, look at my big sausage.
That's what she said.
And now I'm separating some eggs. These eggs were bad. I'm separating them. So I'm gonna let this chill out. Hey, you chill out. We have a raisin pine nut vinegar bath going on there. Whatever you say, stove.
It's Steve.
I put the brakes on my scroll. Taste this to make sure it's delicioso. And it is. I'm gonna give you the hook.
Stop it. Get some help.
Insert Cody's sound like, oh.